Welcome everyone. In this video we'll see how to create and submit an expense report via the mobile app using an Android. If you don't sign in with SSO, you must first activate your mobile application in your profile settings. Then go to the Play Store to download the mobile application by typing TVLD expense. Download it and then open it. Log in either with SSO or with your username and password. As the application is synchronized with your online account, you'll be able to consult your existing expense report projects, which you can complete at any time by clicking on them. You can also create a new expense report by clicking on New Expense, for which you must enter a name and a reason. Then add expenses by selecting the appropriate type. You can complete the fields and click on Create. Click on the plus sign to add an expense. In our example, we'll choose fuel. You can take a picture of your receipt and click Next to scan. Mandatory information will be automatically captured and some information will need to be added manually. Then click on Create. Scroll down to check its contents and add other expenses if you wish. Click on the arrow to submit your expense report. At this point, the approver's name appears. Then click Confirm. You can find your expense report in the Submitted category and see its status throughout the process. By clicking on Receipts, as a user you can view all your receipts, those awaiting attachment to an expense report, or those already attached. Busy users who want to delay creating their expense reports can take a photo of a receipt and complete their request later. The receipt will be stored for later use. Remember that you can find your expense reports created via the application directly on the web platform. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Traveldoo.